Alright guys, so we are back with another video. I bought a new GoPro Hero 10 and you know, I've had the GoPro Hero 7 for years now. I bought it new when it came out and I really wasn't sure if I wanted to upgrade or not. So I went ahead, bit the bullet, and grabbed the GoPro Hero 10. So what I've done is I took my bike for a ride, and I just shot the camera as is out of the box. So if you're on the fence about buying the GoPro Hero 10, hopefully the footage and the video will kind of help you make that choice. So I hope that you enjoy, sit back, relax. There is a whole lot of B-roll. I'm not really talking a whole lot. I just wanted to get footage. In my honest opinion, I think that I made the right choice. I'm active, I'm camping, I'm traveling, I'm on the go, I'm on the boat, on a bike, and I really want a camera that can do pretty much all of what the GoPro Hero can, the 10. I bought the camera with my own money, and it's all my 100% honest opinion. So I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you make the right choice for your next camera. Well, what is up? Good morning, guys. We got a brand new camera, the GoPro Hero 10. So I got my bike here, and we are going to go take out for a little trial by footage and see how we like it. Okay, and then we'll unfold our bike rack. Alright, got that undone, that undone. Get that on. I get that strapped down. Get that locked in. And we are ready to go. All right, so I had a GoPro Hero, the 7 model, for quite a while. And, oh, you haven't seen the new rig. It's a 2000 Ford Excursion V10. Traded it out for the old Avalanche. We are just gonna go for a little drive and get some breakfast and go for a bike ride. So, you know how small things really make a big difference? I got some deep cups. The one that I had before, they were so shallow and my drinks kept falling out of here. So I went online and bought a deeper one for like 40 bucks. Now, they ain't going nowhere, and I could not be happier with them. All right.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
All right, well, good.